barriers of caste and religion, joining hands together with only one intention. Freedom was the only thought that stuck in their minds. Laying down their lives for freedom, they never did mind. The freedom for which they all fought. Many of them were also shot. They left behind their families, and in the hearts of the people they live. They laid down their lives happily, and it was the last thing they could give. Let us salute these martyrs who gave us their all, and in this world make our nation stand proud and tall. Jai Hind.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat. He studied law in England and spent almost 22 years in South Africa practicing law. He came back to India in 1950 and was shocked to see the sufferings of his countrymen. Soon he became an important leader of the Indian freedom struggle. He always wanted every Indian to be united, putting aside their religion, gender and caste. He had set an example by living with those who were called untouchable. He gave them a new name, Harijans, which meant children of God. He was truly the father of our nation, whose selfless efforts brought independence to our country. 30th January is marked as Martyrs' Day or Shaheed Divas of this great soul all over India, as he was assassinated on this day. Let us all bow our heads in the memory of our dear Bapuji and pledge to follow the path of truth, love, justice, honesty and compassion, to reiterate our commitment towards our country.
दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया।
गांधी जी की याद में किसी कवि ने सही कहा है, ली सच की लाठी उन्होंने तन पर देशभक्ति का चोला, सबक अहिंसा का सिखलाया, वाणी में था अमृत घोला। बापू के इस रंग में रंगकर देश का हर बच्चा बच्चा बोला, कर देंगे भारत माँ पर अर्पण हम अपनी जान को, श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे हम सब बापू के बलिदान को, गांधी के बलिदान को।
हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। तुम ही भविष्य हो मेरे भारत विशाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के।